Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesloft cadence steps after mapping changes step by step clearly. To restore Salesloft cadence steps after mapping changes, first, log in to your Salesloft account. Navigate to the Cadences tab in the main menu. Locate the cadence that you want to restore. Click on the name of the cadence to open its details. In the cadence details, look for the steps section. Identify any steps that need restoration after mapping changes. Click on the Edit button to modify the cadence. Review the steps to determine which ones are missing or altered. For each missing step, click on the plus icon to add a new step. Choose the type of step you wish to add, such as email or call. Fill in the necessary details for each new step, ensuring they match the original cadence. Once you've added all the required steps, click on the Save button. After saving, review the cadence to ensure all steps are in the correct order. If needed, you can drag and drop steps to rearrange them. Confirm that the timing and durations of each step align with your previous settings. Once everything looks good, click on the Activate button to make the cadence live again. Your Salesloft cadence is now restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.